In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an App Store card to your account. Whether you've received a gift card or found a great deal you'd like to take advantage of, redeeming this card is a straightforward process that will be completed in no time. So let's walk through the steps together, ensuring everything is set up smoothly. First things first, you'll want to grab your device and locate the App Store app. It's usually found right on your home screen, represented by that familiar blue icon with a stylized A. Once you've found it, go ahead and tap on it to open the App Store. This will be your main hub for everything related to your Apple account, purchasing apps, and redeeming any gift cards or codes you have. Once you're inside the App Store, your next task is to find your profile icon. It's located in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon usually shows a photo or just a silhouette, depending on your account settings, but you can't miss it. Tap on this icon to access your account settings and information. After you've tapped into your profile page, you'll be greeted by several options related to your account. Look for the option that says Redeem Gift Card or Code and tap on it. Now at this point you might be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. This is just for security purposes to ensure that any balance from the gift card is added to the right account. So if you're asked for your credentials, go ahead and sign in. Now comes the fun part, redeeming the card. The App Store gives you the option to either use your device's camera or manually enter the code. If you choose to use the camera, tap on Use Camera. This is a quick and easy method where you simply point your camera at the back of the gift card where the code is usually located. Make sure there's ample light and hold your camera steady to capture the code clearly. If for some reason the camera isn't an option or you'd prefer manual entry, you can select Enter Code manually. Simply type in the code, which is often a mix of letters and numbers. Enter it carefully to avoid any mistakes that could cause delays in processing your card. Once the code is entered correctly either through the camera or manually, your balance will be added automatically to your account. There's no need for further confirmation or actions. You'll probably see the balance reflected in your account right away, ready to be used for your favorite apps, games, or even subscriptions. And there you have it. Adding an App Store card is as simple as that. By following these steps, you've successfully redeemed your gift card and boosted your account balance, setting you up for a fantastic experience in the App Store. Thanks for following along, and happy downloading.